We tried Too Good To Go in a past video, and we were surprised by how much food we got for just a few dollars. It's an app where restaurants sell surprise bags of extra food at the end of the day, usually at 70 to 80% off. Each purchase helps cut down on food waste, and you get something delicious for way less than full price. You won't know exactly what you're getting, which is part of the fun. See which one of these surprise bags you might want to score.
We got Tejo. Peter was like putting a reminder on his phone so he can grab this because it was sold out the first time he tried to get it and he was determined. So Tejo is a bun kun Vietnamese rice roll restaurant, but they also have other things. They have like a pho banh mi, they have fried rice, they have noodles, stuff like that, and they have the crepe also.
And drinks. Wow.
So this is the bun kun. It has meat and mushrooms, and this is the dipping sauce, the fish sauce, and this is the chili. Whoa, this is very generous.
It's also very heavy.
Yeah.
It's a really nice packaging. And it also has their Instagram handle, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
At Tejo. $4.99. It's a $15 value.
I've never had Tejo, but since it's so discounted, it makes me want to go and try it. So I feel like this app is really great because you get to try restaurants that you don't really get the chance to eat. This is like a newborn baby. Oh my goodness! This is too much food. This could feed a whole family. Holy moly. This is bun kun. It's a rice roll and there's mushrooms and pork on the inside. Is this your first time having bun kun?
I think so, but like the outside is very light.
So they steam it and then they roll it up. And you're supposed to dip it in the fish sauce.
Okay, a little bit, just a little bit. The texture is good. The meat inside is very light and it's grounded. And the mushroom has like a really nice texture to it too, along with the skin on the outside. And I feel like the fish sauce adds like a little bit of additional flavor. If you really like the textures on its own and like the meaty taste, you might be able to just eat this on its own without having to dip it or anything. You might enjoy it just as it is.
They have vegetarian versions too, I think.
We also have one with the hot sauce. It looks like a
chili.
A
little bit about this restaurant was established in 1983 in Hanoi.
Apparently it's also a chain, so you might find these in your area too. They don't give you a lot, so I'm wondering if it's very deadly.
Yeah, don't put too much.
A little bit.
You sure you want to do this?
Sure. Oh yeah, that's spicy. But it's really good. It has a very heavy chili flavor. But this is really good, only a little bit. We'll add a little bit more spiciness to it. I think out of the two, I would prefer to have it with the fish sauce. This is really good. This is a huge win. They brought it out as soon as it was ready, and it tastes fresh still. Like this doesn't need any reheating or anything. You just eat it right away. So like if you're picking it up, the pickup time is at 7:30. So if you go there, you could just have this for dinner. And if you eat like a 7:30 or 8 o'clock dinner, it'll be perfect. And just share this with the whole family because this is a lot of food. Picking up Too Good To Go. Awesome. Thank you.
What do you have?
Surprise drink with topping. So I have no idea what it is. $5.99 for 2 surprise drinks with toppings.
And Maru is known for making their own boba here, in-house boba.
It's very small in here. There's not a whole lot of seating either. We only paid $3.99 because one of you guys from our last video used our referral code. So we got $2 voucher credit. So thank you, whoever you are. It doesn't tell us who did it. Okay, this one looks like a green tea or a oolong or something. What's your guess?
Green tea. With lychee, I think.
Yeah, it looks like some kind of lychee jelly or aloe maybe. And this one looks milky with pudding, is my guess. Oh wait, this was the advice that we got from our boba video.
Like that?
Like this, right?
I don't know. Wow.
It worked. Guess that's the only way to do it from now on. Okay. Let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's an ice right here. It's like an iceberg right there. Oh no.
Now you broke the straw. Good job.
Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, it tastes like green tea with aloe.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah, the jelly is not very sweet.
It's not aloe. I think it's ayu jelly, but this is also green tea. It's green milk tea. It's really sweet. They're both green tea. It's just a green milk tea. This one is too sweet, but I cannot complain because it was so cheap. This is the most affordable way to have boba. on Too Good To Go.
Also, there's multiple locations.
There's an Arcadia one and a downtown LA location too. And we did hire them for our wedding too.
That's right. And they did good. So if you guys need boba catering, I guess maybe they still do it. Who knows?
Lunch special. What is the lunch special?
2 slices and a soda.
Hey, that's pretty good. $7.99.
This is an Arcadia Omar's Pizza.
Omar coming, yo. Omar coming, yo.
We've driven past here, never knew it existed.
8 p.m. pickup time. Ooh, she hooked it up.
I know, seriously, you got garlic knots.
She's so nice.
1 cheese pizza slice. I'm not sure what's at the bottom here, but it's like a takeaway box of something. So let's find out what it is when we get home. All right, happened to score a Hop Cafe for tomorrow while we're about to eat our Omar's Pizza.
She was making this bag of stuff for us.
Let's see what it is. It's a surprise.
I'm guessing it's Omar's wife. Oh, what is this? Nice, nice. Cheese pizza.
Yes. And then like we said earlier, this is the garlic knots.
This is a good deal. How much was it? $5?
Yeah, $5.99. What a great deal. Okay, let's try these. These look quite good. Yep, quite good. Garlicky and salty. It's a little bit on the salty side, so beware.
And there's marinara.
We also noticed that there's some interesting stuff, like Lisa's favorite is white pizza. They have white pizza there. They also have a pastrami pizza, which sounds really interesting. Quite good, quite satisfying. It's like an elevated cafeteria style pizza, only because it's cold. I think this would be quite delicious as like hot and fresh. It's nice and thin.
This is a score right here.
Seriously, look at that.
Whoa, cheesy, saucy.
There's a lot to process in here. It's chicken.
Oh,
I took a bite thinking that it was meatball or something because I couldn't really see behind the cheese, but it's quite good. The chicken is nice and juicy, and there's lots and lots of tomato sauce, and the top of the cheese right here is really nice because their cheese is very meaty tasting. And look at this bread, it's nice and soft. This is a huge score. This is like, might be one of the best deals that we've gotten. And there's like this huge menu with salads and subs and calzones also, if you like that.
and pasta.
And this is a little bit harder to score. I felt like it was almost like trying to score sneakers, where you're just like having to like mash and try to get into it and try to win.
Yeah, because they don't have too much left over, which is good for them.
There's a little bit more scarcity in this one, but it's 1000% worth it. So if you have a chance and you like fun pizza type stuff at a really nice fun atmosphere, you'll definitely love this one. This is the part of Arcadia you say it's too far, right?
This is the border of Arcadia and Monrovia.
Kind of.
And there's no freeway nearby. It feels really far because you have to take the streets.
This is Hop Cafe. We've been here before. Kind of a fun, themed, interesting place.
They have jazz on the weekends, I think. Peter's walking to Hop Cafe.
Let's see what we got.
Looks like passion fruit.
And then it says that this is a curry. Oh, it looks good. It's still warm. Oh, with purple rice. Oh, yeah.
It looks good already. We don't even need to taste it.
The total for this is only $5.99. $5.99 after tax, it's about $6.62.
Try the drink first. Really sweet and really sour. This is literally like a Korean meal. Perfect. Sometimes it can get too salty, but this one's perfect. I think this is a perfect meal if you're like at Hop Cafe and you're studying. This is a great feel for students.
Okay, so there's carrots, there's potatoes, and it's nice and chunky, and onion. No meat though, like a veggie curry. It's good, it's nice and thick. The rice is the winner, I feel like. If you guys haven't had purple rice before, it's a little bit more like stickier, a little bit more like grain tasting. This is a really awesome meal. I love this.
I wouldn't drive all the way there, but if you live near Arcadia and you're looking for a quick meal, this is a good option. It's not a place that you would drive to.
Yeah, although we did have drinks there before and we enjoyed it.
They have ice cream, they have like boba, they have coffee, bubble waffles.
If you like all of that, you definitely like this place. So speaking of outstanding deals, these are all really awesome deals. And we're really grateful for this app, and especially everybody who signed up with our link last time. We'll leave it again here. And every time you sign up as a new user, we get $2. This isn't just limited to SGV, this is nationwide. So check it out and see what's available to you. Some of them are very difficult to get, and a lot of it is more skewed towards bakeries and donuts and stuff like that that are like need to be turned over a little bit more quickly. So if you missed our first video on other places in SGV that you could check out on the app that are available, watch this video right here.